make your puffin pencil pot, you will need 1 tin, some glue, a pair of scissors, 2 pipe cleaners or straws and some coloured card. First, cut a thin strip of felt or cloth to cover the sharp inner edge of the tin and attach with glue. Please make sure an adult does this before you start your puffin pencil pot. Secondly, use a tin to measure the amount of black card you will need to cover the tin for the puffin's body. Mark it with a pencil and cut it out and stick it around the tin and put to one side. Next, to make the puffin's head, take 1 black circle and 1 white circle and place the white circle over the black, but make sure the black card is showing a crescent shape. Then cut off the excess piece of white card and stick them both together to look like this. Repeat this step to make the other side of the head. To make the beak, take the orange circle, fold it in half and open it back up. Then take one side of the circle, opposite to the first fold, and fold it inwards about 1/3 of the way up and fold along the original crease to make a cone shape. Cut the corner off the yellow card and the black card. Use the triangles to create 2 stripes on the beak, wrapping the excess card around the back. Once the head and beak are finished, draw or cut out a pair of eyes and stick them onto the white part of the head. Then, to create the wings, take 2 black circles and fold them in half. Stick 1 on each side of the tin with the fold facing up. Get the 2 headpieces and the beak. Place one headpiece face down and put the beak in the correct place and stick the other headpiece onto this, so the beak is stuck in between. Take another black circle and the 2 pipe cleaners or straws for the feet. Use the black circle to secure the feet in place on the bottom of the tin. Then stick another white circle onto the front of the puffin's body to make a white tummy. Finally, glue the head onto the tin above the white tummy and you have your puffin pencil pot ready to go.